Alright, so last time we talked about rounding to the nearest 10. Today we're actually going to talk about rounding to the nearest 100. So now I'm going to add to my numbers here. So I've got two ones, I've got 6 tens, which is the same as 60. Let's say I have 3 hundreds. Alright, so if I wanted to round to the nearest 100, so last time we rounded the 6, so remember we said is this 6 tens closer to 7 tens, or is it closer to 6 tens, which would be 60 or 70? Now we're thinking about 100s. So again, I'm going to draw a little mini roller coaster down here. And remember the numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's to round down. And then to round up, you have 5, 6, 7, 8. And think about when you're on a roller coaster, when you get over the hill, that's when you're rounding up. And the numbers below that is when you go down. Okay, so let's look at the number 362. So first thing I have to figure out, is the number 362 closer to 300, or is it closer to 400? In order to round your hundreds up, you're always looking at the number to its right to make that determination, okay? So I'm going to do another number line, and you don't always have to do a number line, but sometimes it helps. So 362, so looking at the hundreds place, because that's what we're rounding, so you have to first think about, what does this 3 represent? Well, that 3 represents 3 hundreds. And if you rounded that up, what's the next 100? Well, I know 300 plus another 100 would be 400. And then I always talk to you guys about what's in the middle. We know a number with 5 is in the middle. So what is halfway between 300 and 400? Well, we should all already know that 350 is in the middle, because 50 plus 50 is 100. Okay, so now I have to place this number up here that I'm trying to round. So, is 362, where would that belong? Well, I know 350 is less than 362. So that means I'm going to put my 362 somewhere past 350. So it would be roughly, I think, somewhere about here. So then I look at my little roller coaster, and I know if it's past the 5, I need to round up. So my answer is 362 rounds up to 400. Remember, rounding is a quick estimation. It's not exact, it's not accurate, but it gives you a rough idea of what you're looking for.